up guys? So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be everyday college outfits, and this was so requested. I asked you guys on my Instagram stories what kind of videos you guys would want to see from me, and I got an overwhelming amount of like everyday, like casual outfits that you could wear to class, because I feel like some of the outfits that I show on my Instagram and things like that aren't really everyday. They're very just like blogger photos. So I wanted to incorporate a video of like realistic outfits that I genuinely would wear. I'm actually filming this right before I go to class, and I'm in one of the outfits that I'm going to wear to class. So I wanted to film this video for you guys because I felt like it would be super interesting, and I know I have a lot of college viewers. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me to have you guys here, and you guys can always follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm super active on both of those, and I post all the time and get to talk to you guys and things like that. You can also see more of like my everyday outfits other than just this video on my Instagram stories, and everything like that. So without me talking anymore, let's just get into the video. So I am doing this video a little bit differently. I'm going to be talking about why I'm wearing this outfit, how I style it, and things like that as I'm showing it to you guys. So let's get into the first outfit. The first outfit are these pants that I recently bought from Lulu's, and these are basically the main staple item for my first outfit because I really like the I literally just realized I need to hold these pants up to show you guys, and I had them on. So we're gonna roll with that. So for the first outfit, these pants are definitely what I would recommend. They're from Lulu's. They're super comfortable. They're army green. They have like 2 little stripes. The reason I chose these is because these are super comfortable for class. Obviously, any style of these, I'm sure you can get them. I'm sure they have other colors on Lulu's and things like that. We'll try to find some and link similar ones down below. But any of these are super comfortable, especially if you're just walking to class, casual, and you kind of want to look a little bit dressier. So for the majority of these outfits, these are outfits that I would wear if I'm wanting to look a little bit more presentable. Some days I'm really lazy and I literally just wear an oversized t-shirt and like Lululemon shorts and shoes, and that's it, and like no makeup. But these are majority of the outfits that I wear when like I want to look just a teeny bit more presentable than how I would on like an average like sweatpants type of day. So anyway, these pants are perfect because they're just super simple, they're comfortable. You can pair them also with sneakers if you don't want to wear booties to class, because not everyone wants to walk around to class and booties. I personally drive to my classes, so that's why like if I was walking through campus constantly, I would probably pair these with sneakers or sandals or something, but because I'm only driving to class and getting out and going to one class, I just will wear booties because I'm not walking far. The other thing is this top right here. So this top is also, I was gonna say it's from Lulu's. It's on Lulu's, but it's from Free People. So this top is super comfortable. I bought it in 3 different colors because I love it. It fits me perfectly, and this is also something that you can just style with really simple jewelry like this and wear with like jeans, ripped jeans, boyfriend jeans, high-waisted jeans, Sugoro jean shorts, anything like that. I just like these because they're very comfortable and very simple. You can never go wrong with just wearing like a plain white t-shirt and jewelry. That's my other tip for you guys. If you guys are wanting to look like a little bit more cute, maybe you like someone in your class or something, you guys can just wear super simple outfits. Like literally these pants and this shirt is so simple, but I just add like dainty jewelry on with it, little bitty earrings, maybe like a watch or some rings, and it dresses it up just a teeny bit more. The second outfit that I have that I wear probably every other day would be a graphic t-shirt and just denim jeans. This is what I wear every single day. You can ask Nat, like I show up in class in this all the time, and she always makes fun of me because I always wear like Yeezys or I wear like Nike Air Force Ones with my denim jeans just because that's what's comfortable for me. I don't really like wearing booties and jeans that often. I just like pairing sneakers, a graphic tee. So this is another thing. I have like a few here that I'll show you guys. So like any graphic tee, you guys are always asking me where I get them. I get a lot of them at thrift shops. Other ones I get at Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters has some really great selections. This one is from Urban Outfitters. This is my Snoop Dogg one, and I got it a while back. They sell a ton ton of them. Also, another like hidden gem place to get graphic tees is the men's department of Forever 21. They have a lot of graphic tees that are really, really cute, and I feel like you could find them for like a better price than Urban Outfitters. I've got a few from there. Another thing is just, again, wearing a plain, simple white t-shirt. This one is from Brandy Melville. It's see-through, if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's pretty see-through. Wearing a bralette, some sneakers and denim jeans, and some jewelry. Really easy outfit. I personally like wearing graphic tees probably every other day because it just looks the best. Another thing that makes each of these outfits more like class ready and like looking more presentable is that I normally will do my makeup like every single day with one of these outfits. Even if I'm wearing a hoodie and sweatpants, if I do my makeup, it looks like I put a little bit more effort into my outfit. If I add a watch, it looks like I put more effort. I don't know, something like that just makes it look more casual, like casual streetwear, comfortable things. So with each of these graphic tees, I would definitely layer some necklaces. I have a cross one from the Jewelers that I would probably wear. I would wear a watch, some rings. So for the third outfit, I would say this is probably a go-to as well for me because it's really comfortable but also looks a little bit more put together. So these pants are from Brandy Melville. I have at least 3 pairs of these from Brandy Melville. I will link them all down below. I got them all off DOTE. You guys can use my code Keaton for $5 off, but I got them all off of DOTE because they always have really cute ones on there. But Brandy sells the most comfortable high-waisted pants that are patterns. They have plaid, striped, they have like a bunch of different colors of them. So my favorite thing to do for like days where I just like don't want to try that hard, I throw on a pair of these pants and I put on any tank top that kind of goes with it. For these pair, because they have green on them, I wear this green tank top. The top is also from Brandy, and I think these are really, really comfortable. You literally just pair these with like a bra underneath, a necklace, and then you're good to go. It's sort of just a tank top and patterned pants, but it's super easy and it looks a little bit more put together because you're matching. I also like to pair this with Doc Martens, or I mean honestly any sneakers would work like that, but I personally pair these with Doc Martens because I feel like it fits the vibe a little bit better. I also have a few other tank tops that I like. This one is from Urban Outfitters. It says Property of Nobody. It's just like one of those, what is that called? Like I don't even know what kind of like cut this is because it's not the same as this just plain tank top one. This one's like a ribbed one. But anyway, I think this one's really cute. So any tank tops you can just pair with like patterned pants, plain tank tops, like super, super simple. This one is also from Brandy. It's gray. I would pair this with like, I have blue and white striped Brandy pants. Any tank top with patterned pants is just so cute. Honestly, even like patterned jeans, like if you just have like black and white striped jeans and you did like a black tank top or something like that, that would look really cute. I just always go for the pants. The pants are what make my outfits look more dressy. I don't have a lot of like dressy tops, so I normally just wear really simple tops, simple jewelry, and then patterned pants, and it completes the outfit a little bit more. For my last outfit, this one is a bit more laid back. This one is probably the most casual, so I bought both of these pairs of biker shorts. These are in white and the other ones are in gray, so they feel like I was gonna say matte and velvet at the same time, and I almost just said velvet. Okay, they feel like velvety or like smooth suede, maybe suede, I don't know. But basically what I do is I put any of these biker shorts on, I put my Nike Air Force Ones on with like high socks, and I put a hoodie on over it, and that's literally about it. It's super comfortable, and it also kind of looks trendy because everyone who wears biker shorts just looks like they know what's going on in the world. Like they just automatically look trendy, and I'm pretty sure these were really cheap and they're from Pretty Little Thing. So I'll try and link them down below. If the items aren't linked down below, it's because I couldn't find them or I got them too long ago and they're sold out. But basically, I would just pair a hoodie with any of these. I also would pair like a long sleeve graphic tee with these. That might look cute. And again, just add jewelry to every single outfit. Just add a layered necklace, a simple cross necklace, maybe like 2 or 3 rings, or like tiny little like baby hoops to each one of these outfits, and it just looks a little bit more presentable. And then again, I probably will always have my makeup done if I'm wearing one of these outfits. outfits. If I don't have my makeup done, really, I'll probably just do like mascara or like concealer or something, and that's it. But yeah, these are just, this one's the most laid back, this one's the most casual for me. So those are all of my college outfit ideas. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I want to start, you know, doing more of these like style with me videos and kind of showing you guys how I put outfits together, what I wear on a daily basis, because I feel like you guys have been asking a lot more for those type of videos, so that's what I am trying to film. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and you guys can also subscribe down below because I would love to have you. I would love to keep you around so, you know, we can just chit chat and hang out and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys next time.